How to turn off private account on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Giants. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. You will land to the For You page. Now at the bottom you will find different options. Head towards the option of profile given at the bottom right corner. After you land to your profile, at the top right corner you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Different options will pop up. Select the option of settings and privacy. Now over here you can find different sections. Under account section you're gonna find the option of privacy. Open it. At the very top you can see the option of private account. Now toggle off for this icon. Switch to public account. Anyone will be able to follow you, view your public post and answer your questions from public post. Anyone can do it with your videos. Anyone can stitch with your videos. Anyone will be able to download your videos. Tap on switch. With that, you are good to go. This is how you can easily turn off private account on TikTok. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.